I need to drive 400 kilometers, climb on a house, drill a chimney, and put this thing up. True engineering begins. Why is this weather sealed? Where do you think at the time putting this? Welcome to the dungeon. Let's get the rope.
It's a lot of stuff.
Let me get an iPhone. It's an app. Welcome to. It's fucking windy and the smoke is blowing in my face. Oh, there's a lot of bugs in here. I never want to open it again. But this is how the internet works, love. Let's just do something stupid. You wanna come with us? Say nothing if you want. Our customer, who is very satisfied with our network in his house that he's renting, has only one problem. He's in the middle of buttfuck nowhere. So that means he cannot get fiber for the internet. And the LTE antenna that we installed almost exactly a year ago, that you can watch in video number. Yeah, he wants to exchange the main link to the internet from LTE to something else. I have warned him and I told him everything that he needs to know, but I'm not responsible for his bad judgment. So here we are. Yeah, I need to drive 400 kilometers, climb on a house, drill a chimney, and put this thing up.
What is this?
This is a Starlink antenna that needs to go on the roof of the house.
It's just a plate?
No, this is a active radar array. And so this is a miracle of engineering, but they did not engineer it. They used something that was made for the military, but never mind. So
why
this
is it flat?
Because in here you have a bunch of small antennas, and by changing the phase at which they transmit the signal, you can constructively and destructively interfere the signal and more or less steer where it points, steer where it radiates out.
Oh, okay.
So this is a flat antenna that goes on the house at a slight angle. In this hemisphere, I think it needs to go about to the northeast or northwest, and then it's connected with this cable to this thing, which I thought was a router, but I think this is the router, and this is just an access point. We need the power supply, and we need the cable. The small box I give them props for this. This is aluminium probably. So this is to mount the antenna to the antenna pole that is behind there. You will see it later, because it needs to go on the house. We need this, this, and this, and these three things with this needs to go into this box.
I like this box.
This is a solid metal box. Is used in electrical installations. So the idea is we'll have a Starlink antenna on the roof of the house, which connects with that special cable to the Starlink router. That thing. But I do not want to use this thing. This is useless.
Really?
Yeah. But this has these two ports. We need those. Why? In the video number, put it on the screen here, we made a beautiful network. And we are just going to exchange the main uplink and downlink for that network.
Okay.
So I will take the Ethernet cable and connect it to the network,
Okay.
which has, I think by this time we expanded a little bit, so it's now has 6 access points, I think, some cameras and stuff like that. This can also be an access point, but as I said, we don't care about that because we have our own access points. But this needs to go into some bedroom under the bed, and we do not want guests unplugging stuff.
Yes.
So the idea is to lock everything inside of here, come in from this side with power, Ethernet and the Starlink dish cable,
Yeah.
and everything will be locked here.
Cool.
So because this is industrial shit, you can take this thing out.
This is the back cover or?
No, this is just another plate
A
that
plate.
you take out, put your shit on it, and then you can mount it in.
Ah.
So let's just take out that plate. Those are copper coated screws for better conductivity. So I've chosen this box because it's all metal. It will fit under the bed. Nobody can access it, more or less. And I have worked with these boxes in the past. So
Okay. Is it expensive?
yes, 150 euros.
Too much.
So this will go like somewhere like this here. I thought about putting it like this. Actually, we can put it like
What?
there is enough room.
But can you fix it?
Have you ever heard about zip ties?
I know it.
May I introduce you to our fixing solution? So the power supply needs to go somewhere like here then. And this is going here. One will be for the Starlink, one will be for some smart bullshit something, and one is extra. So this is the plan. Yeah, it will be in a grounded metal box, so it's not going to be an access point. As I said, we do not care about this.
But what are we using it for then?
Just for this port. So this powers the antenna, and you can connect your network gear here.
Okay.
So we really do not care about this.
You're just taking the signal from here
Yes,
and taking it where? The other access point.
to the rest of the network.
Ah.
We have a power over Ethernet switch that
Okay.
powers all the access points through the house and etc. etc.
Okay, so this box is just to distribute the Starlink signal to
Yes.
the other
Yes.
network. Okay.
Yes. Okay, let's start with this.
This has rounded edges and this has sharp edges.
You are correct. I'm sorry about that. Every time I buy this, they change something. Oh, come on, release already. Oh, I hate this consumer shit. Let me make a mental note not ever to buy this again. Fuck you. So this will go here. I mean, one screw can hold this in, but... And now on this side, I need to move it a bit from these. About 3 centimeters.
How much work do you expect on the set?
So I need to drill the hole for the wall because of that stupid Ethernet cable that is not standard. I need to take down the MikroTik gear, put this thing on. I expect a lot of swearing because as far as I know, there is no web user interface on this shit.
Really?
You do everything through an app.
Yes.
Do you know what I hate the most? Yes, apps for everything.
Yeah, me too.
For better or for worse, web user interfaces have become more or less a standard these days. So, why the fuck don't I have a web user interface for this shit? Can somebody explain that to me? I'm sure the app is actually just a web wrapper. So since it's a web wrapper, why doesn't it to be an app? It can just be a web page, like any other piece of network gear. Why is this weather sealed? Where do you think at the time putting this, for fuck's sake?
Okay, never
In the
mind.
dungeon? No, I'm just confused at engineering choices that were made.
Now we can see Mr. Blue Glove's signature moves, measuring everything to the millimeter.
Yes, as always.
Beautiful.
Right? 4.5 for 4mm bolts. You never see me use tolerances like that. I did not drill into the table, but I just put a bunch of metal shavings on the table. But by some reason, I have come compliant to the battery powered shit. I don't like it.
Cool.
We have an update. It has handles now.
But there's no update in there yet.
Yeah, that update is still a little bit expensive. I'm looking for the Nylock ones. This one. Okay. Why this type of bolt? Because I have it. Segment. We are going to do an automation project soon, so stay tuned for that. It will use the same box.
Hit that subscribe button.
Oh my lord.
But okay, if you are here with us now, we do this stuff regularly, so yes, you can subscribe. This is an active channel.
Yeah, we got delisted from Soul Side because of inactivity, which was a little bit sad.
We cannot handle everything. Social media is too much.
No, we just gave up on social media. We have a conundrum. I need to get inside with a power cable, but I do not want to wire this at the site. So you know how I told you I will make you happy? Look at this.
What?
Those are child-proof safety pins. Okay, so we need a hole somewhere.
Like that.
Exactly like that.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is going to be at the wall. So the cable will come somewhere here or here or here. Actually, it would be better if this was not centered, but we already centered it.
Colorful cables.
Brown. We need blue cable, and we need ground cable. Let me just get my my designer's bag. We need this.
Nibbler.
Round. We have hot, and we have neutral. Need a couple of these. So we need 3 of those. The other side does not need anything like this because we are going to use Vago 221 quick connecting, whatever you call them.
Clamps.
Yeah, I suppose. Okay. How do you call it? Outlets. I really hate it. This is one of the banes of my existence. The problem is I know how to do it and I hate it. Every single time I do it, I hate it. They're all shit. All of them are shit. I need to slide it? No, I need to press it in. But I cannot press it in because I put it... There we go. So we have these 3. Okay. No. What? Why is it? No, it's not symmetrical.
What?
You motherfucker.
What? Oh, it's not. Oh, did you... Oh. But you can turn this around. Great. Last bolt.
Beautiful, we have this. I need some Vago clamps. Okay. Another one. In this one, we are going to ground the whole thing when we get to that part. So now we need to put this thing in, and now some true engineering begins. Know what I was thinking?
What?
With all that is happening in the world right now, It's not a bad thing that this is hidden.
What?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you mean
Yeah,
nobody needs to know?
everybody will know now, but yeah, we don't like him either. Oh, I'm sure there's some power LED on the front of this.
Some what?
Some power LED light.
Ah, LED.
Yeah, on front of this.
Oh, you don't see
It probably
Oh.
has some fancy animation or something. Oh, too bad.
Oh, no.
It is squished really nice.
Mm.
Okay. Now, actually, yes, we can open it like this. See, this is our grounding lug. I think this is zinc plated, so we're fine. Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, this is on the wrong side now of the grounding. Now we need one of. So now I need my crimping pliers. Aren't you glad that we can do almost anything that we want by ourselves?
I mean, you are using those and not me. I had this tool for putting metal holes in your clothes.
Yeah, we use that in the samurai.
How is this called?
I know what you mean. The press.
Yeah, but those rings?
Wait a minute.
Those rings? I don't know.
Why isn't this going on? What is happening?
It's too small.
This should be 6mm.
Mm,
I took a 6mm
maybe,
M6 nut off.
maybe this copper made it bigger.
Oh, yeah.
And this one is?
This one is 8mm.
I have 7?
Wait. This is an M8, right? And this is an M6. Yeah. They're just a bit oversized. You motherfucker. Okay, this can go here.
Good.
And bolt. We are not going to ground the door. Because we're lazy.
In the clamp.
Yeah, in the clamp. You put it in the clamp.
Is there gonna be a third one?
Yes, the third one is where the first one actually, when you look from this side, is the power that you're going to get from the outside. Okay, so this is grounded.
Cool.
This now can go here. Yes. And the power cable. Even that is not standard. Why? We have standards for a reason. Okay. There we go. So the antenna cable goes here, goes out, and our network cable goes here and goes to the floor beneath.
Okay.
No, I did not shot myself in the foot because I can do this. Up. So we need to think about stupid users,
Okay.
as you always do.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to exchange these bolts for something stronger and something that somebody cannot unscrew. So these are too short. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 20 bolts. 1, 2, 7, 2, 3, enough of them. Either way. So hold please until I find some bolts. So we are going to take out most of the bolts, replace them, then take out more bolts and replace all of them. And put some new bolts. See why we are replacing them. So we are going to use these bolts that are stainless steel and have no markings on them. We use them on our car, so let's get rid of them because they don't have markings on them. And we are going to put 2 more bolts here.
Why?
Because this is the piece that is going on the wall.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that means that...
Wait, this will be fixed on the wall?
Yes.
It's not gonna be on the floor?
No.
Oh.
So it needs to be fixed somewhere. It will be under the bed, but this side is going on the wall. So I'm thinking we can actually drill holes here that is much sturdier than this.
Yeah. That's better.
Okay, so we don't need to put more bolts here. Is this too long?
No.
I think this is too long.
Damn it.
So we are going to leave a huge mess here. We are going to be back to put Starlink in an inconspicuous box. Welcome back. So, I went shopping and I got all the screws. And 4 and 4. And we have 2 flavors, okay. We have these big boys and these big boys. This will be the legs. Because we have these holes that so there will be legs and this will be attached to the wall. We're continuing where we left off. You had a good observation that this is facing the wall, so we do not need to secure it. But we already drilled it, so we are going to secure it. No, I do not have small enough.
How?
Give me the other set. Give me a 7mm. Thank you, love. We are putting nylock nuts on it. So if somebody tries to unscrew it from the outside, they will not be able to do so. And I will recommend putting a, how do you call it, a key for this, but I forgot it. I need a 4mm. This one. Yes, that one. One. Oh, I need the washers. One. And now the other side.
Wow, it looks much cooler now.
Yes, I know. It's done.
The box is done.
The box is done. Now we need to put the Starlink in. Close the box. It's ready for shipping.
Nice.
This box is coming with us.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Compressor. Seriously,
What?
screws are too long. Is it going like this? No, it cannot. I forgot that there is a 12mm option. So I need to replace 4 screws. Where is the 10mm one? This is going to be tight, but fuck it. Okay. There we go. That's in. Grounding will be connected once we are there. Screws that hold this in. We need to put them for transportation purposes. That is so fucking close.
What is close?
Where are my legs? I cannot put a knot here. I mean, I can, barely, but a knot in a washer, no fucking way.
Yeah, let's put the washer first.
I mean, it will be nice, but yes, I need to put the washer, and then this assembly is going to ride on the washer.
Where are those so big?
No, wait. Ah!
What?
Is there a room? Yeah, there's a room. I think... Yeah, this is cut at an angle, just enough so you can put the big washer in. Okay.
Cool.
I do not believe that somebody thought about that. I think that is a happy accident. Okay. Key. Now we're going to cut, because I do not have the mental capacity to narrate and think about all the things that we need to bring. So, I forgot to say before we wrap this up. On the location, we need to drill 2 10mm holes here for these long boys, and drill an excess hatch here for all the wires, because when the cable thingy that holds the cables on the wall comes here, all the wires will come into the box and then they will wrap around. But yeah, Okay, let us organize all of the tools.
Okay, it's a lot of stuff. We packed all of this. We're taking it with us.
Starlink dish, antenna mount, adapter for Starlink, some box for automation, some three-phase bus bars, rest of Starlink shit, drill, hammer drill, another hammer drill, bunch of electrical stuff here, bunch of electronic stuff, electrical stuff also, bunch of small tools, 2 batteries, extension cord, angle grinder of course, and bunch of more stuff that we need to assemble there, including this big boy. I need to get RJ45 connectors, Ethernet wire, and I thought of something. Oh yeah, I need this because we are climbing, right?
Are you taking your rope?
Yes. Where is my rope? So we need a rope, we need carabiners, and we need Ethernet shit. And I think we're good to go. I'm probably forgetting something that is very important. Here there are
How many do you need?
I don't know. Harness, carabiners, rope is at the samurai. Let's go get that, and let's go to another place to look for Ethernet stuff. Welcome to the dungeon. We have network cable. We have strange relics, and we have the connectors. Let's get the rope. Battery operated angle grinder. Should we bring it?
You have this one,
Yes, I know.
so you don't need this one.
I hope not, but I'm
Then-
going to bring it.
No, too much. Look how big it is.
I know, Mom, that it's big.
Take only one.
That's what she said. Everything is an overkill on this project. I mean, fucking router is in a metal box that is going to hang from the wall with 200mm screws. Well, the next scene is probably me on the roof. Hi, cat. Yeah, welcome to the location. So, we didn't get any clips from the road trip because it was night and it was raining and there was fog. So first order of business is to test this before we go under the roof. So let's try to set up Starlink with an app. We will not record the whole procedure. I'm sure there are many YouTube videos about that. You're just going to connect it. Connect it, test it before it goes on the roof. Yesterday we got him, and then it was raining, and we wrapped him in a blanket near the fireplace. So he got a little bit warm. Now he's very happy kitty. Good kitty. You wanna come with us? Say nothing if you want. Okay. Let me get the antenna. Welcome to our unboxing video. North is that way. Okay. So you are supposed to put this in the room without any point. We need some power.
You got the power. Okay,
Bye, Kitty.
I'll stop singing.
Okay, let's plug this in. Is it working? I don't know because...
You can see.
Yeah. Welcome to our professional setup. Let me get an iPhone with an app.
You can do it. You'll survive.
So we have tested the Starlink bullshit. It works. You cannot change the subnet, which is total bullshit. Safety. I need to go up there. And I need to tie the rope. This is how you should do it. One on top of the other, on top of the other. Oh, kitty cat! Will you catch me if I fall, kitty cat? Can you bring me the antenna mount? A 13mm wrench. So the north is that way. So now let's do the antenna mount. Give me the pipe. We have upgraded it. Give me the big red box. I bought this. I need it ever, but hey. Interesting.
No 5, only 6.
And give me the 8.
There's also number 6.
This is an 8mm one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try to make 4 holes aligned just like last time. It's very strange. It stops when you let go of the trigger. So put this on the floor, we need to clean this. Okay, can you bring me 8x40 anchors, silicone spray, 6x60 bolts, 6x18 washers. 4 anchors, bunch of washers, 4 bolts, Torx 25, drill, silicone spray, and a hammer. silicone spray. Washers.
Sorry.
And give me those 4 bolts.
This.
Yes. They need to go in first. Mostly level. Hold this, please. This. Give me the plate with the 4 washers. Plate. Give me the nylock nuts. Give me the 13mm. Be right back. Oh,
Yeah.
can you please bring the Starlink dish in the box? What is this? Bullshit. Hex 6. Okay, this is 6. Here is the manual.
Mhm.
I need to take this.
Don't break it.
Wait, I need to put the cable. Oh, what lock?
What? Box for me.
Yes. I was very cautious not to poke a hole in it like last time.
What is this?
Don't
Lock?
worry about that. That is from the router.
This is rubber.
Yes. So this needs to go in like this. Okay.
Design.
Okay, I have loosened the screws. Yes, you just slide
This.
it in.
And no screwing.
No, it has 2. It has these things.
Yeah. Is this enough?
Yeah. All this. And this. Mounted. Can you bring me the big zip ties?
Yeah. Ooh.
And bring me the blue Unior snipping pliers. Welcome to. It's fucking windy and the smoke is blowing in my face. This is where we are at. This thing is still working. Starlink is mounted on a pole mount. I don't know if this is going to interfere, but I cannot do anything about it. This thing. And I have started routing the cable. Now I will let it droop down here and then I need to go all the way there, sorry, all the way there, and drop down and then into the house. I know I said I hate patching cables, but I would rather patch it than pull an already made cable. Yes, two are at the first ones because you one of the brakes, so this does not flop around too much. Yeah. So let me now hide the cable somewhere. Somehow maybe I will go over the roof here like this. See, this was at the sun, at the wind, at the ice all this time. It's still fine. Oh yeah, are we going to ground this? No. Hello. Okay, now we need to get inside of the house. Turn off the LT antenna. Pull this cable out. Try to put this cable in. So if you cut the antenna cable, this is going to the antenna and this is going to the rest of the network. Now we're just going to patch it here and prolong it with another cable to this thing. Yeah, this is our favorite activity, patching cables.
I need to close the door. Do you know the sequence?
I have it on the pliers.
Great.
To learn that the last time.
Yeah.
And stupid Starlink cannot change its subnet. So now we have a problem. We have a big fucking problem.
Do you know how to solve this problem?
With another router in between Starlink and this, but we don't have it here, so yeah.
Okay.
So it seems the battery is dead. Oh! Now it's making some noises. Much better.
Okay.
Go plug this into the antenna cable.
Yes.
first try.
Nice.
Now I need my electrical equipment.
This is high voltage.
Yeah. What is what here? Oh my god, this is so ugly. And we do not have a ground here. I'm working with idiots. First, let's pull in the Starlink cable. I need to pull something out with this cable so I can pull the Starlink cable in. Let us find something. Okay. Now let's go outside. Oh, we're in luck.
What?
The hole is big enough for this connector.
Yay.
I do not need to shave it. Can you push? Oh, yes. We can even push this cable in so the weather does not affect it. Oh, I forgot. We need a drip loop. Ah, we don't need a drip loop. That's enough. Welcome to my level. Cable zip tied all the way. Zip tied all the way down. There is no drip loop per se, but this conduit is going upwards a bit. Wait. Ooh, yes, this conduit. Oh wow, too much. Is going upwards a bit, so that should keep the water out. Now let's go work on the inside. Okay, so this is live power. Yes. How should we attack this? Can it touch anything if I disconnect it first? Wait, what is the... I think this is the main. Okay, so let me just... All of the networking goes to you. Put it behind your leg. Put your leg up. Okay. So let's see, we have... Somebody needs to be killed. So this is the main power. And I think this is the safest bet.
You're doing this in white or just
Yes.
this safe?
This is when we differentiate men from management.
Come on.
I'm gonna be fine. Well, so this is live. Let's make a new cable here. So I need...
Are those gloves protecting you?
Let's say yes.
I know they don't.
Actually they do.
How can you then operate your touch screen with them?
Because touchscreen is capacitive. You need to get close to it, you do not need to touch it. So this will replace this wire and this wire. Okay, neutral and live. Getting out and getting replaced with the new neutral and the new live or line, whatever you want to call it. And I need another line for this. Welcome to our ASMR channel, where we do stuff in silence. Okay, so I need another line that goes here. I need 1.5 millimeter squared. Let's see now. This is going outside. Okay, so this switches this. So these two are the power supply, I think, and this is the switch. I don't know how thick the cable is. I think it's 0.75.
But what is this bridge for?
I don't know, I don't care. This is for another smart switch bullshit. I do not understand why one smart switch is operating on 240 volts and the other one is operating on 12 volts.
What?
Okay, let's start now. One, two. 1, 2. Okay. Brown one goes here, blue one goes here, neutral goes here. Okay, that is, and you just hear this power. Let's clean this shit up. Let's fix this. Okay, now let's see what is going on here.
Why is this crossed? Bridged?
Yeah, it's bridged, I don't know. So it goes from second to first. I think this is something for the alarm. Oh, the blue cable broke. Great.
Blue cable?
The blue cable broke. Quality work here, yes. I mean, I'm sorry, Laura, but the things that we did here a year ago, everything stands as we left it.
That's great.
And then some idiot does something and thinks because it's hidden in the wall, he doesn't need to put in some effort.
Yeah, this is how they usually operate.
Well, guess what? Somebody is going to open that wall one day. And then that somebody is going to be me, and I will be really pissed off.
Then if somebody comes here next time and see this, it will be wild. Like, whoa, look at this. Wow. This is great. Who's your electrician?
And the blue wire. So everything is doubled except the blue wire. Why didn't he double the blue wire? You fucking motherfucker. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just redoing stuff. Because I'm not invested enough to figure everything out.
Okay.
I'm just redoing stuff because I need to grab power from here for the antenna. I could have shortened this cable, right? So the power brick, which is way too big for this, goes into here. The power cable that is way too long goes also into there. And then we have this mess, which is barely holding itself together. Let's just push everything in there like that. Yes. Yes, okay. And now we have this mess on this side. Okay, let me just think for a second. This is the Ethernet cable that we actually need. Okay. And this one can live like here, like so. Okay, now we need to connect the power to this. Okay, first the ground. And let's hope nothing blows up in our face.
Okay.
What a shitty cable. This is live wire now.
Nervous. Oh, what was that? What was that?
Some capacitor. Okay, we are tidying up here, and now the most fun part. Plastic cable thingies that route cables. Now we're waiting for the call from the other side of the wall.
Call is here.
Call finished. Stupid smart thermometer is here. Well, now we are construction workers. A problem with one hole.
You know what?
What?
Your human Swiss knife.
Yeah. Oh, much better. Okay. So, what have happened since the last clip? We have two holes here.
Yeah.
It has been decided that this is not going on these legs. It's going on the floor. And now I'm doing the job that I hate the most. Even more than patching cables. Conduits. You remember when I told you to give me a 5mm? 5mm from the box.
It wasn't there. Oh.
I don't know where you were looking, but yeah. Even the Bosch one, the good one, it does not burn out when I use it.
Does it also has numbers? 6.
Don't know, but it's a 5mm. This one does not hold anything. This one does not hold anything. This one does not hold anything.
The one bigger.
This one does not hold anything. And
Bigger
this one,
anchors.
I didn't bring them.
No.
Yes, we're putting all 5 because guests are wild animals. To give us any chance, silicone spray. Brand new bottle. Yeah, nothing, 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 nothing. Next one, next section.
How do you know?
Safety first.
How do you know the angle?
The angle of the dangle. Watch this now.
That was amusing.
Just a minute, just a minute. If I cut it here, then I need more. Not enough. Close enough. 30 centimeters about here. Now let's be professionals. How much is this? 28. Nothing. Less than nothing. 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 Next time we're bringing that creeper for working on the car.
Yeah, good idea.
Nothing. 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 Amazing. I love hollow walls. Nothing. Okay. Did I fuck this up?
Why?
No, I didn't. Fresh as fuck. Maybe one of these will hold, but I doubt it. Get yourself silicone spray, automotive silicone spray. We had one bottle for like 5 years more. It helps you a lot.
Wow.
That is almost 7. Let's do this now. Do I have an even bigger pyramid? Step 2.
Yes.
I need it. Are you ready for this fun? There we go. What was that? It was something important I have solved. Now, cabling. The conduit is more or less on. Less than more, but okay. Now we need to make an Ethernet cable. Why didn't I bring one? Because I was lazy to search for it. You saw us do this a couple of times already, so I think we're going to cut here and magically a cable will appear.
Okay, what do you have to say?
This is the Starlink cable, all that's left. It needs to go here.
Barely.
Yes. I mean, I can take like maybe a centimeter or 2 from here, but I'm not taking these covers off.
Did this turn out nicely?
I can say so myself too, yes. Now we need to secure this to the wall. That is the next step. So we have some spacers.
And some long ass bolts.
Yes, you're correct. Long as bolts. So while you were getting the 13mm, I made the spacers.
Stacks.
These are M8 bolt, 8mm bolts. I thought they were 10, but 10 is the anchor. So yeah, this is a little bit loose and a little bit more expensive, but it is what it is. Now we need to. Oh yeah, I need 2 more. Yeah, sorry, it might seem that we're skipping steps, but you're not the only one in the house, and we cannot film everything.
No.
Yeah, I was trying for that not to happen. And now a generous amount of this. So the sub-assembly is in. Now we need to connect the power, the antenna. Wow. It's aligned. Now I need to take off the microtic antenna. Oh, there's a lot of bugs in here. The smelly kind. Oh, here's the rain again. sounds like I'm doing something. Okay, the microchip is off, Starlink is aligned. Now the most fun part. I need to take off the rope.
In the almost dark. Nothing.
And the rain is falling. So that means this is getting more and more slippery.
Parkour. So, how was the roof in the night? Cool, huh?
I would choose roof at any day or at any time of day except summer. Remember, kids, pick up your ropes. You do not want to be entangled in them when it's sexy time. So, when we first plugged in Starlink for a dry test, immediately they billed us 50 euros, even though their site says 40 euros.
But they forgot the tax.
They forgot the tax. Fuck them.
Well, it's different in every country, I guess.
Well, if you're buying for this country,
Oh yeah, okay.
they can calculate the tax, right?
Right.
This is how I like to do it. So the eye is always accessible. It's a bit tight this time, but it's fine. I'm knackered, and we're not finished yet. Okay, so we had a problem with the cable. The other side of the cable had two wires touching. So now the Starlink is on top, it's unlined. It comes here into the router, and this is going to the rest of the network. Power is powering. This is bolted down. This is some Zigbee Z-Wave 2 wireless shit. We have some conduit going nowhere. This has an SSID. It has an activated wireless radio, but when you do this, you cannot see it because it's a beautiful metal box. You would see it even less if I ground this to this, but I'm not inclined of doing that. So yeah, twist this on and put the bed over it, and that's it. I never want to open that again. Now when we connect the laptop to the Starlink router, we get about 350 down and 20-ish up. So yeah, this end of the cable, where is it? So this end of the cable, somebody pulled it out apart a bit. So we were getting 100 megs through the cable. Repatch that, and it works. Now, after all of this time today, I'm going to eat something finally, and then reconfigure all the access point to use that subnet. Is it right, love?
Yes.
Yes, let's eat. Okay, so now the problem is, because Starlink is a piece of shit, I need to change the subnet and the IPs of every single device in the network. All the switches, all the access points, I need to move to another subnet, which sucks major balls. And somehow, some of the smart shit has got the IPs of the switches, so now I cannot access the switches. But I will think of something. I forgot where everything goes, so this is port number 2. This is port number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now only me and the switch is connected. No, this is not a shell. Yes, this is Winbox, thank you. Switch. Okay, so port 1 will be Starlink. So let's turn off power over Ethernet.
Use you.
And let's move you to 1.11. And now you document that shit. I know. If we turn off this shit, that will help. What is in port number 2? Some of the one of these access points. Yeah, so you get the gist of it. You go one device at a time and change its IP so it goes into the subnet of the fucking Starlink, because Starlink sucks. And if I knew that you cannot put a subnet that you want, I would just get another router and put it between the Starlink and the network, so we have the control over the network. Because oh my fucking god, I cannot believe that you need an app for that fucking shit. I cannot see anything on port number 2. I think that this is the AP for gas, 88.21. Yes. Why does the network discovery do not work? I don't know. So that is now 1, 1, and change the name to 1. Okay. Port number 4, I think this is the AP for guests number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This. Because this looks like a cable that I did. So that is 88.22.
It's not interesting.
But this is how the internet works, love.
Yeah, but we only see your hands and that's it.
I know. We'll keep you posted how this is going.
Okay.
I think that all of the access point and all the switches and the link, I forgot about the link, is done. So now we can do, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 7. This is 7. This is Starlink. Bullshit. Cannot change the fucking subnet. Go fuck yourself. Okay, everything is connected now. I need to kill the Wi-Fi. I need to go to it. Oh, fuck you, Windows 10. If you cannot say, see, this is not my computer, so What is giving me the wrong IP? Of course something's broken. DHCP. Yeah, we have a problem. It is giving me the wrong DHCP. But so I need to check everything. So I need to connect to all of the active network shit and see if something accidentally has a DHCP server running. IP DHCP server, no, not running. 21, okay, it's disabled. What about 22? Disabled. 31, disable. So on this thing, this one, on a management network, the DHCP server was accidentally running. System reboot. Yes. How did that happen? I have no idea.
So when you fix this, what do you expect?
I expect that I need to have intercourse with the camera software because it's Hikvision and it's bullshit. So I need to reconfigure all the cameras and then I expect to do this, this, and I expect to get an IP from the Starlink subnet. I still get sick when I say that. Okay, and I expect to do, give me an IP, yes, one, okay, I expect to do ping google.com, google.com works, and I expect to do, let's see, meh,
Okay.
meh.
Pretty good.
Let me just remind you that I'm currently in the process of getting 10 gigabit for my off-site location.
Okay.
And you know why? Because I can and I asked nicely. Upload test failed. Great.
So what now?
Everything died. Why did everything die? I don't know. All the access point, all the switches, everything is on the 1.1.1 subnet. This is the last management AP that I need to upgrade. And the beautiful thing about MikroTik is you get lifetime free updates. I have a MikroTik antenna from 2000 something. It's still receiving updates and it's still working.
Nice.
It died. I resoldered the capacitor on it. It continued to work.
Chill.
Yeah, and it's like 15-20-year-old product still.
Wow.
Yeah. And now I'm updating one of the management APs. And while that is updating, look at this shit. You go to the IP address of your router. Very helpful. Thank you. Go fuck yourself. Speed test.
You hope for better.
I hope that it works.
It works.
The upload died.
That's true.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah. Okay, so I need to just kill everything and bring it back. Now I need... Where are the screws, love? The long ones? Yes. Now I need to get SADP tool.
Oh, this is just a note there.
Yes, this is just enough
Okay.
for Hik vision.
You don't need screws.
So I can connect to the camera system and reconfigure the camera system.
You can do this.
I'm doing this right now.
Okay.
So the guy who usually does this cannot get here, and he told us that he can do this by installing any desk on our computer.
What is this?
It's an unsecure remote desktop client.
This
software.
guy who installs security cameras.
Yes. And I'm like, you're not installing any desk on my computer. Give me the name of the software that I need. It is this one. Thank you.
Cool.
I will take it from there.
Really? That's all you need?
Yes, that's all I need.
Cool.
Here are the cameras.
Yay.
How do I configure the camera? I did this once. Okay, let's try to be in the same subnet. Let's just do something stupid. What is the tool name? SADP.
Yes.
I hate this proprietary software shit. Okay, hold while I
Yeah.
get to know this shit.
What is the development?
I think I'm in.
Something's happened. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I thought
Oh my god.
our cameras are slow, but this is next level, man. Like totally, dude. And somebody wanted. I will do this myself. I know the password.
Wait, you need to go to each of them separately?
Yes.
Really?
And to this one also. Okay, so this is the camera configure. Where's the cat? Where is the cat?
What is this?
This is the front entrance. Why is this not in English? Luckily, we speak multiple languages. How many languages do you know of?
2? No. 2.5. I know 2 languages and then I know something from other 2.
Okay, you will need to bleep this out, but I know that you know more languages.
Or maybe a little bit of third one.
Ready for beeping?
No. No. No, we don't know that.
We don't
That's
know
Albanian.
we don't. Okay, we don't know that. English? German?
A little bit.
Spanish?
A little bit.
That's 8. Oh,
A
we need
little.
to beep this on also. That's 9.
Maybe a little bit Italian. Yeah,
Okay, Spanish.
Same
Spanish.
for German.
German and Italian counted 1.
Yeah, and Spanish, yeah.
Am I in the main software? Yes, I am. Does the main software see the cameras? No. How do you work?
So what now?
So I'm trying to decipher how does this NVR work. Okay, I need to change this in the documentation. One. The worst part is that this actually was 1.1 subnet, then I changed it to 88.1 because if you add some encrypted gear you don't need to worry about it.
Okay.
Now we made a full circle. How do I reboot? Oh, okay. Change. 1. Fine, okay. Change. 1. Oh, you stupid piece of crap. Where did it turn off? Where the fuck do you turn off? it dies. Okay, turn on. So I have rebooted that small shitty switch that has the cameras. Now the NVR sees the cameras. We can see the cameras, but the NVR cannot show the picture of the cameras because the NVR is so shitty it cannot show 4 cameras at once. Who sells this? How can you sell this? I cannot get the NVR to show the cameras. That sounds like not my problem at the moment.
That's right.
How can you get to
Oh,
400?
better. No. No, almost, but no.
Does the upload work?
It works.
Why do we have satellites for this? See, it's not work that good.
Why does this show differently?
It uses different servers. So yeah, the cameras are on the right subnet. They have the right IP. We can see them. NVR is making problems. I will do this now. I will do this now.
Yes.
This now. And put it here where it belongs. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
It looks amazing. You know why?
Why?
We did it.
We did it.
And now the share will pop. Do not touch.
Now you don't see.
Not touchy.
Ta-da.
Have we learned something today? One-year review.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
Would recommend.
For 5 out of 5 stars. Do not try to disassemble it because you will break the tabs. I think I mentioned that, especially when it has been outside. Maybe they're still malleable after. Yes, there are. I can still see. I can move it. But yeah, we are done with everything here. Thank you for watching how to install Starlink with NaziNet on your house because you don't have fiber optics and mobile internet sucks balls because the only provider that has any signal here is T-Mobile. Fuck you T-Mobile, fuck you Starlink, fuck you all the ISPs that do not bring fiber to here.
Okay, bye.
Bye.